of this world.
To all the moms.
For the hard work they do for their children. We're going to make something special for our mom.
Guess what? Don't let our mom hear it.
Comes
Pyssla
beans.
We can get this from IKEA store.
With this pack, you can get 4 shapes, such as a big square, a heart, a circle, and another square, which is a bit smaller.
We can make some samples. With this heart, we can make this. You can make any designs you want.
You can also make something like this out of the circle.
We're going to make some more. Ready?
Of?
Let's go.
Let's do this.
Of Pyssla. We need to make outline for Peppa Pig in purple color. made the mouth. I made the cheeks. It's time to fill the whole paper. Isn't it cool, The last piece, my Peppa Pig is done. Done.
Hey guys, my cool emoji is done and now this Peppa Pig is done. It's not done yet. You know what we need. We need parchment paper and you need help of an adult to iron it up so then we can get it done like this.
This is parchment paper.
You need to be very careful with this. Don't move it. If one piece is gone, your whole thing has been messed up.
So first, we need to slowly put it.
First thing we need to do is, you need to first carefully place it on top of the things you made. Next, get help of an adult to iron up with hot iron.
Peppa Pig is over here.
Happy Mother's Day, Mommy! Thanks for watching our